Fire on set, please. Scene one, take one.
And action.
Congratulations on completing your studies at Imperial College London. This video will go over what to expect during your graduation ceremony. To help me present the video, I will be joined by the Dean.
And cut.
Yep. No, I don't know where they are.
Hi, I'm Dean. I'm here for the.
There they are. Hi. Do you wanna get changed?
This is all I have.
Can we get him in something, please? I'm now joined by the Dean. So, please arrive at the Royal Albert Hall at least 45 minutes before the start time of your graduation ceremony, and take your seat immediately. Academic dress is compulsory during the ceremony. Perhaps you'd like to take this next point, Dean?
Just remember to enjoy it. You know this is your day. You've earned this. Live in the moment. Just
yeah, maybe just stick to the script, Dean.
Please remember to sit in your. Please sit exactly in your allocated seat.
What is wrong with him? Is he new? He does seem weirdly young.
Am I good to head off? Can I?
To help demonstrate the next points, we are joined by some of your fellow graduates.
The stewards will lead you in your row to the side of the stage. And when it's nearly your turn, they'll invite you up.
At the foot of the stage, hand your placement card to a steward. You will have been given this during registration on the day. The reader will then read your name and ask you to cross the stage, where you will shake hands with the relevant college officers.
Who is this?
That's the Dean.
Nice to meet you.
If you do not wish to shake hands as you cross the stage, please carry a copy of the graduation programme with you, which will be available within the venue. The stewards will indicate when to start walking as your name is read. Remember to smile. Our photographers will take a photo of you as you cross the stage.
Well,
What?
ensure your mobile phone is turned off or on silent mode at all times.
Cut.
Sorry, I've got to get this one. Hello? What do you mean they're not here yet? I'm standing right next to them. Okay, well, yeah, leave it with me. Right. I know what's going on, and I know you're not the Dean. So who are you?
Dean.
No, you're not. That's the whole point.
My name is Dean.
What?
Well, I just came in here and you put me in this outfit.
What?
I didn't know what was going on. I was just trying to go along with it.
What are you doing here?
I'm here about the catering contract.
What?
I sell bagels.
Right. Let's just finish the video. We don't have time to do it again, so we're just going to finish it.
Okay, well, I think that's a bad idea.
Please keep photography at a minimum during the ceremony. Selfies are not permitted on stage. What are you doing?
Just getting my business out there. It's only fair. You know, I'm doing you a favour by being in the video. Please be respectful of the occasion. Follow the instructions of the stewards at all times and stay until the end of the ceremony. And don't forget to have a delicious bagel.
No, there will be no bagels at the ceremony. You will have to navigate a few steep steps to get on stage, so please bear that in mind when choosing your footwear, especially heels.
As you process across the stage, you'll be elevated above staff and other graduates. So we would suggest that skirts, dresses and kilts be at a length that allows you to feel comfortable. Now look at this. It's got a hole in it, right? Well, here at Bagel Vision, we're working on the world's first bagel without a hole in it.
That's just a roll.
Do not question your dean on such matters.
You're not the Dean, that's the whole point. We've just got one more point to finish.
Who's that? Oh, you're in trouble now.
Please stay in the hall until the entire ceremony has concluded.
Hey, Dean, have a look at this. It's got a hole in it, right? Well, here at Bagel Vision,